We here in the Cron household believe that there should be a new Olympic sport in this Olympic year. It should be championship burping. Got another one? Well done. Well done.